Okay, apparently my other 7.4 homework help didn't work. Didn't show you the actual homework, so here we go again. 7.4 homework help. Given the figures in each sketch with congruent angles and sides marked, first list the parts of the figures that correspond. Okay, that's all I want you to do for the first two is list what are congruent. For instance, this first one, they tell you that angle C is congruent to angle R. Angle C is congruent to angle R. What else is congruent? We have this side, side CA, is congruent. Oops, let's make that a different color. Side CA is congruent. Side CA congruent to RT. They both have those two lines, which means they are congruent to each other. CA congruent to RT. And then you have CB. Side CB is congruent to RS. Okay, so that means triangle CAB is congruent to triangle CAB RTS by side, angle side. So then that's what you're going to do down here is you're going to list the congruencies. What is congruent to what? All right. This next part, explain whether or not the triangles are congruent, similar, or neither based on the markings. So they're either going to be congruent by side, side, side. Oops. Side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side. Okay. So number 3, this side is congruent to this side is congruent to this side is congruent to this side. So these are congruent by side, side, side. All 3 sides are congruent. Number 4, all 3 angles are congruent. Okay, angle, 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 that means they are similar, right? Having all 3 angles congruent does not mean the triangles are congruent. Does not prove triangle congruency. These are just similar. Next you have number 5. We have side, side, angle. Side, side, angle. That is not a triangle congruency theorem. Side, side, angle does not prove triangle congruency. So these are neither or not congruent, whatever you want to write. Right, so that's what you're doing for this, is saying how they are congruent. And then 9 and 10, you're just drawing these triangles and labeling all of the congruent parts. So you're going to draw a triangle ABC, and you're going to draw a triangle PQR, right? And just mark all of your congruencies. So, I don't, there's one triangle, okay. You would label it ABC, A, B, oops, come on, let me do it. You were doing so well. ABC, P, Q, R. So then you would have to draw in all of your congruency marks. So angle A is congruent to angle P. Angle B is congruent to angle Q, so you would draw in your congruency marks. So you do it for the angles and for the sides. For instance, side AB is congruent to side PQ. So you're drawing in all of the congruency marks on your triangles, and then you're going to do the same thing for number 10. So we'll do 2 marks for here. So angle R is congruent to angle C. Angle B, we'll pretend this is a right angle. Oh boy, angle B is congruent to angle Q. And then this side is congruent to this side. And then we have this side down here. I'll put 3 marks. 1, 2, 3 is congruent to this side. 1, 2, 3. So there you go. And then you're going to draw another set of triangles and label the congruencies on there. Okay? That's all you're doing for 7.4 homework.